Hi, today in front of me T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sound section. Here we can see that this is the ringtone and notification volume panel. So if you want to mute your notifications, you should hold and swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. But by this way you'll just mute not only notifications but also the ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones and you want just to mute the notifications, you should on or mute this volume panel, scroll to default notification sound and switch your currently sound just to none. Then click here to OK, and that's it. By this way we can see that we mute not our notifications but we'll stay also with the ringtones. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.